10 Health Benefits of Carrot Vegetable. Benefit number 1, Nutrient-Rich Profile. Carrots are more than just crunchy snacks. They are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Benefit number 2, beta-carotene and vitamin A. One of the standout features of carrots is their high beta-carotene content. This compound is converted into vitamin A in our bodies, playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision and supporting immune function. Benefit number 3, cellular health and antioxidants. Carrots contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. This is essential for overall well-being and disease prevention. Benefit number 4, dietary fiber and digestive health. The fiber in carrots promotes a healthy digestive system by supporting regular bowel movements and preventing digestive issues like constipation. Benefit number 5, heart health. Carrots can be heart healthy too. The combination of fiber and potassium in carrots supports optimal blood pressure levels and helps regulate cholesterol. Benefit number 6, skin health and collagen production. Carrots are not just good for the inside, they also contribute to radiant skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in carrots play a role in collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and protecting against sun damage. Benefit number 7, cancer protective compounds. Emerging research suggests that the antioxidants in carrots may have protective effects against certain types of cancers, such as lung and colorectal cancer. Benefit number 8, immune system support. Carrots provide key nutrients like vitamin C, which are essential for a robust immune system. Including carrots in your diet can help your body defend against infections. Benefit number 9, hydration benefits. Staying hydrated is vital, and carrots contribute to your daily fluid intake. The high water content in carrots helps keep you hydrated, supporting various bodily functions. Benefit number 10. Integrating carrots into your diet. Now that we've explored the biological wonders of carrots, consider incorporating them into your diet through delicious recipes. Whether it's salads, soups, or snacks, the options are endless. And there you have it, the incredible biological benefits of carrots. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy carrots. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.